Those two. Okay, alright.
Hey guys, my name's Haiimbelle. Today I'm flying my dad's 206B Freebell Jetranger. It's pretty cool. Gonna be doing some zero speed landing and running landing and like a little combined of each as well. Should be fun. Enjoy. Boop.
Because he always listened to it.
This is just for your petrol heads out there. Here you go. Enjoy.
Motoring now. Click it on.
So what we're doing here is I'm doing a bit of a running start. So I'm a little bit off the ground and I'm skidding the skids on the ground and kind of hovering, but not really, trying to obtain lift, ETL. And once I've obtained lift, I kind of want to go down again and then do a bit of a flare, minor flare, and then make sure the tail doesn't hit the ground, of course. Do a bit of a flare and then land, like dead stop. So go into hover and then land. And this is my first time doing any of this sort of stuff, so it was pretty scary, but I got the hang of it, I think. Warning lights are out. RPM's in the green. Fuel sufficient. T's and P's are in the green. Switches are set. Radio is on. You're in. I'm in. All clear. Oh, and full throttle. Always forget that one. So what I'm doing here is the run start. So I keep going run, 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 run. I hit ETL I come back down. Instead of doing a complete stop, I'm going to do a kind of what planes do. I kind of keep running until I stop, or pull back a little and stop. At the moment, I'm pretending to be a plane, really. It's good for the desert. What I'm about to go to next week. Stay tuned.
I'm feeling so hollow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did. And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did.
Thanks so much for watching. I'm gonna have another video straight after this one where I'm doing some pretty difficult flying, just preparing me for my trip next week. I'm actually going to the Kimberleys and then the east around Australia in this chopper with my dad and another pilot. I am super excited, and there'll be plenty of videos from that as well. It's going to be very fun, and hopefully I get enough practice in beforehand.